We are doing it in.
We are doing it in the toilet.
Yes.
But you not tell me that we are doing it in the toilet now.
Oh, let's do it in now.
Oh, madam. Before tell me now. I don't like doing it in the toilet.
But it's not bad. It's not bad. Toilet is not bad. Please be fast. Sure you can do this work very well.
I can do it. Make my work for me. I'll do it well.
Very sure. Please be fast now. Be fast about it, please. You can come closer now.
Madam, relax. I'll do it.
Come
Relax.
closer.
For 10 minutes now, toilet. Now I have to remove all my clothes.
Okay. Please be fast. Be fast about it. Be fast now.
Relax. Let me drop this side.
No problem. So you can do this work.
Madam, I say relax now. I'll do it. Relax. Say
I'm
you
coming.
want it in the toilet.
Yeah.
Relax.
Iyon sana ya sir. To bigi ben no na di so mo.
Come inside.
You get in and check. Yes.
Wait.
Okay. The tap is not flushing. So
Madam, I know. Let me do my job now.
oh, sorry.
I know. Allow me to do my work.
Oh, no problem. Hope you can deliver this work very well for me.
Sorry. Madam, this is what you have to change.
Oh, this thing?
Yes, you need to change it. This one block the water from entering the main toilet.
Oh.
Yes. And it's 4,000. You have to give me money, so I feel rush and get it and fix it for you.
So is there anyone that is better than this one? Because this one is not up to 6 months when I change it.
Yeah, that one is 8,000.
Is it the rubber one?
No, it's not rubber. It's more stronger than this one.
Oh, 8,000. That one. I think I'll go for that one.
Okay. So you transfer money. Let me go get it fast so that I'll help you and fix it.
Okay. You sure you can deliver the work for me today?
Madam, relax. It's my work. I'll do it.
Sorry, I didn't know that you are going to off your code because it's so late.
If you tell me it's toilet now, so I'll know what to wear.
Sorry about that.
It's fine. So are you giving me cash or transfer?
I will do the transaction for you before you reach where you want to buy it.
Okay.
So I can keep your tools here for you now. So that
Yeah.
when you come, you will
Keep this one. But I have to go with
No
this.
problem, sir. Let me go. Please, I will transfer the money. Please be fast about it. Okay.